She in the back, she in a Birkin. Always in the feelings attitude, but she still fade. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the block, run in your mouth, we close your curtains. That ass shaking when she working. Stomach flat, ass so fat, just watch me work it. Mop 'em up, chopper sweeping like a broom. It's a headshot.
She in the back, she in a Birkin. Birkin. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Stream Bean. I'm Zach with another video for you guys. Guys, what do you guys think about my new intro song? What do you guys think? Fire or not? No, but seriously, that is my husband Cocaine featuring Vaughn Lowe. The song is called Headshots. I will leave their Instagram in the description box below, just in case you want to go follow them for some more hot tunes. Okay, so guys, seriously, like, it's been a minute. Oh, you okay? Oh, okay. It's been a minute, guys. It's been a minute since I've been on YouTube, and since I've been back, I got some new subscribers. Oh my god. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I hope you guys stay. I hope you guys love all the new content that I'm gonna be putting out for you guys. So yeah, for anybody that's new, my name is Trina, aka Tream Bean. I am the founder and owner of Divine Beauty Cosmetics. And if you have yet to go look at the shop, go look at the shop. It's at getdivinebeauty.com and go shop around, go see what you like. Also follow my Instagram page. I will leave that in the description below. But yeah, guys, since I've been gone, I did a relaunch. I didn't even think I told you guys I was gonna be doing a relaunch. Did I tell you guys? I don't know, guys. It's been a minute. But yeah, so I did my relaunch. I have new products in the shop. I have reformulated all the old products. I have changed the logo. I have changed the color scheme to the website and everything. So everything is all new for you guys. So if you have yet to check that out, please go check that out. Yeah, and what else? I play too much, y'all. Now, I'm not supposed to be talking about this. I'm supposed to be getting into the video. I'm babbling. So let's just get into the video. This video is going to be about how I wash and sterilize my lip gloss tubes. Preferably the wand tubes, because that's the one I'm doing in the video. But yeah, let me just get into the video because before I start talking again. Come on, guys. So guys, these are the new wand tubes that I had purchased for my relaunch. They are 6 milliliter wand tubes. They are rose gold and white, and I think they are just so pretty. They're just so perfect. The applicator on these are amazing. And yeah, so the first thing you want to do with your tubes is basically just take them apart so that each tube can just soak individually and get, you know, all clean and sterilized and all that. So that's what I am doing here, and I just have a few more left. Don't forget to add these little stoppers. You want to sterilize these things too. So now that we have all the tubes taken apart, we are just going to now put them in a container big enough of your choice and just add some water, and just so about all the tubes are covered with the water. You don't have to add too much water, just so they're all covered. And you just see me here mixing them around. So then we're gonna add some Dawn dish detergent soap. I feel like the Dawn works the best, especially afterwards when you're cleaning like the excess lip gloss residue off of the tubes. I feel like they just, it takes all the grease and stuff off better. But I guess you can use any dish detergent of your choice. It really doesn't matter as long as it has some soap. And here you just see me like just going in and finding the tubes individually and just putting some water in there and just rubbing the tubes off and just shaking them up. And just making sure that all the tubes are covered up and have water in them. And I just like to go in and just take the tubes and just shake them up a little bit, pour the water out, and do that several times. And then with the applicators, just wash them off a couple of times and just give them a little scrub. Don't be too harsh, be gentle. You don't want to mess up any other applicators or anything like that. But yeah, so that's what I do. I'm just shaking them up and making sure they have the water in there and pouring it back out. And I just let this sit for probably like about an hour, and then I come back and take the water out. I usually use a strainer. I find that it usually works better when you use the strainer, because this way you can catch all the lip gloss tubes and just strain out all the excess water. So I had got this method from another YouTuber. Her name is Shelly's Daughter. I will leave her YouTube in the description box below also. She has a cosmetic line and she does amazing work. So here you just see me washing off the tubes. So now you just want to take the water and just fill the lip gloss tubes up to get any excess soap out of them, and do that like about 3 times. Shake them up and pour the water out, and in the container there you have emptied it out and put in some fresh water. So then you can just place the tubes inside the fresh batch of water. And you want to do this for all the tubes, and with the applicators you just want to just like run your fingers over them and just make sure you have all the soap out of the applicator brush. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm just going to speed this part up so I don't bore you guys to death, okay? So now that you have all the tubes cleaned off, you are just going to take the strainer and just rinse off the little stoppers and place them in the fresh batch of water. We have all the soap out of the tubes and everything's all clean and nice. Now we're just going to take the bucket again and strain the tubes once more. I know, guys, this is a whole process, but there is a method to my madness, and we want our tubes to be as clean as possible for our customers. So now that we have done that, we're just going to take the excess water out of the tubes and line them up. I like to put a cloth underneath the tubes just because I don't want to soak up the counter. So that would be a good idea. And we're just going to line them all up and make sure you leave some space in between them so they can dry nicely. So that's what you'll see me doing here. Also, before you put the cloth on the counter or wherever you're going to be placing the tubes, just make sure that you wipe it down in Clorox it or bleach or whatever, just to make sure the area is sterile as well. You never want to place any products on an unclean surface. We're trying to be as sanitary as possible, so no germs over here, baby, okay? Okay, so you see here how I'm placing the applicator tops upright. I found that it actually dries faster if you place them laying down, because if you place them in an upright position, all the water just tends to slide into the top and it just takes a whole lot longer to dry. So yeah, just place them laying down on the side and they should dry a whole lot quicker. And don't forget to also take out the stoppers as well. So this is how I line up my tubes to dry. I usually just leave them here for about 24 hours and come back the next day and see if they're all dry. Good morning, guys. So this is the next day and it looks like all my tubes are completely dry. So I'm going to begin to just now put them together. And we always want to remember to just put on our gloves. If you do not have any gloves on hand, you can always just, take some alcohol and spray your hands just to make sure all the germs are off your hands. You never want to touch any of the products without disinfecting your hands or your surfaces. So now I'm just going to place my tubes back together and do this for all of them. So I'm just going to speed this part up because it's quite boring. So now that I'm done with that, I usually like to just take a Ziploc bag and place all the tubes in there so that all of them stay clean and together and I don't lose any tube until I have the time to come back and fill them up with my gloss. And before I fill them up, I usually just spray a little alcohol in the tube just to sanitize them a little more. So guys, this is how I sterilize and clean my tubes. I also do this with my squeeze tubes and all my other product tubes or containers. They're basically like all have the same method. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Go follow your girl's Instagram and check out the shop. See you guys next video. Bye.
Headshot, remove your whole brain. All my niggas pop out one call, get them stained. She in the back, she in the